Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to buy ETF on Revolut and whether Revolut has any ETFs. So the first thing I want you to do is just launch Revolut, go to the top, click on search, and then just type in, the name of the ETF. For example, right here, VUSA, you can type this in. This is Vanguard. Okay, click on it, that's the ticker, and you're able to see everything. You can see here, if you click here, you can see how much you will go ahead and get for every $200 per month you invest, right? How much you'll be making. You can see the whole overview. And if you want to buy it, all you have to do is come here, click on buy, and then you just enter the amount you would like to buy. So you can see how much you would have in your investment account with 90 euros. So let's say you want to buy 10 euros. So type in 10, click here on review, and then if you're happy with that, you can just click here on submit, and that's how you buy ETFs on Revolut. If you found this video helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to frequently asked questions.